Hi everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen also, and under it we've got the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from my wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones. Right under it we've got the gallery, so obviously here we've got our own photos. We've got wallpaper services, and if you will have the internet connection, you can tap on explore more wallpapers, and then you will be transferred to the Galaxy themes. What's more, here we've got the option apply dark mode to the wallpaper, so it means that if you will have the dark mode, the dark background, then it will also affect the wallpaper, so it will make it a little bit darker. So let me enter, for example, my wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones. As I said, here we've got no downloaded ones, but here will appear the wallpapers which you will download from the Galaxy theme. So let me pick something, for example this one. All you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it, and here we can check the preview. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on set on lock and home screens, and we can go back and check. And as you can see, it is visible on the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.